Mansory offers a complete body kit, add-on, for the Bentley GT/GTC and newly designed carbon applications for the entire vehicle. The Mansory body kit consists of an add-on front bumper and rear diffuser made of carbon fiber. The kit can also be combined with various spoilers for the trunk lid and is completed with a full carbon bonnet. Various carbon parts such as mirror caps are also available. Every masterpiece from Mansory is a unique expression of the owner's unique vision. Mansory offers 3 different wheel designs for the Bentley GT/GTC. The wheel designs can be ordered in 2 different versions: Black Clossy and Black Diamond. Mansory offers a completely refined interior for the Bentley GT/GTC.